Hi guys! Well, this week we're going to be doing some crafts with coding. Yes, are you ready to code some snow? I bet you have the items that you can use at home, or you can call me at the Children's Library Department and I have a kit just for you. Okay, what do you mean by coding, Miss Holly? Well, we're going to introduce you to the Ascii binary alphabet. Ugh, click. I can hear you turning me off already. Well, no. What it is unplugged so you don't need a computer, but it kind of helps you understand how a computer works. When you um, get directions anywhere, like your mom and dad or guardian gets directions, they often tell you you need to go down the street 2 blocks, turn right, go to the yellow house, and turn left, and you have arrived. They're directions. Well, we have to give computers directions to do what we want a computer to do. And they do with code. Now, this is what I printed out for your kit. It is a alphabet binary code that I had found on one of my favorite mom blog sites. And I know you probably cannot see it as closely, but what it is the alphabet A through Z, and each letter is made up of a order of numbers. But guess what? They only use 2 numbers. But each letter has their own order of letters to make it an A, make it a B. So they use a 0 and a 1. So we're going to code snow. So how do we spell snow? It's N, or yeah, sorry, S-N-O-W. And so we would use our binary alphabet and we would write out snow. Well, here's what you would be doing. You would be getting a piece of scrap paper at home and you would put the big letters all the way down, snow. Okay, oh, I know you can't see very well, I'm sorry. So there is snow. And then I would look up what S was. And S was 010100111. And I would keep doing it for all of the letters. Now, how are we going to turn this into a craft project, Miss Holly? Well, let me grab my little stash of stuff. You're going to find in your kit enough of the red and white beads. And you're also going to find these little wooden beads because you can't just run all those numbers together without some type of symbol to tell the computer that you're moving on to a next letter or a next command. So we're going to use these little wooden ones that will stand out so you know where one letter starts and a new one begins. So for the letter S, in my kit, I've told you that the red ones are zeros. So I would write down on my paper, red equals zeros and white equals 1. Okay, do you see that? All right, now what you would do is you would get your red and white beads out of your kit. And to make the first letter, I would go 0. So that would be a red. So I would put a red one on all the way to the end. You could probably just nip it just a little bit because you might need all of that space. I have put 2 pipe cleaners in, so if you need more pipe cleaner to finish the word snow, all you would have to do is join the two together, and your mom and dad or guardian can help you with that. All right, so snow is 0, 1, which is white, 0, which is red, 1 is white, 0, 0, so that is 2 reds together, and 1, 1, so that's 2 whites together. Now that is the first letter of snow. This is S. So then I would put my divider in and move on to the next letter. And when you have all of your snow written, all you do is you shape it into a wreath and hang it on your tree, hang it on your fridge. Here you've made a craft, a decoration for the holidays, whatever holiday you celebrate in December, or a decoration for your door or for your room. And it's coating. So when someone says, "Oh, that looks cute," you'll say, "Hey, what does it say?" And they'll look at you like, "It's bees." And you'll say, "No, it's a code." And that spells out snow. All right, guys, this is the intro to Coding Unplugged because it's fun. You don't have to be on a screen, but you're learning how a computer takes its commands to make those programs that we use, like Minecraft and all the other ones. That's way above my pay scale, so I can't explain that, but I can show you the basics. So this is craft number 1 of next week on coding. This is for the 8 to 10-year-olds or older because of the small beads. Okay? All right, in the kit, you will be getting your alphabet code. You'll be getting the beads that you need, and you'll be getting your pipe cleaner to create your coating of snow. Now you ask, why do we need to know about coding, Miss Holly? Well, it helps us with creativity, critical thinking, storytelling, retelling, problem solving, and self-confidence. I love this project. I have to tell you that I created this on my own yesterday for you guys. I got the binary code, I got the beads, and I figured out what can I do this week for you. And I've created coding snow. Stay tuned for the rest of the week to find out what Miss Holly has for you.